All right, so what we have here is we have an inequality that we're trying to solve. Is that a 1.4? To solve this inequality, we need to isolate the variable. So we want to know what value of x is going to make this whole thing a true statement. So whatever I plug in for x, it's going to be true or not. Okay, so we solve it just like we would an equation. So we subtract 2 from both sides. Right. Divide by 5. So x is greater than or equal to 2. So as long as we pick a number that's bigger than 2, this thing's going to be a true statement. So if we plug in a 3, for example, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2, 17. 17 is bigger than 2. It will work. Now, because we can be equal to 2, that means we can also be a 2, right? So 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 12 is definitely equal to 12. So we go here to where the 2 is. We make a mark, because we're going to show this on a number line. We fill in the circle, okay? And we fill it in because we can be equal to. And we point in the direction of all the values that work. Okay. So over here, same thing, we're going to solve for x. Okay, it's a fraction, so we want to get rid of that. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, which is negative 2/3. Do it to one side of the inequality. I have to do it to the other side as well. So 2's cancel, 3's cancel, negative times negative is positive. Now here's the thing, when you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative, this inequality changes direction. Okay, so over here, this is over 1. Negative times negative is a positive. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So now we make a mark on 6, and this time we're going to make an open circle because we can't be equal to, and we're still going to point in the direction of all the numbers at work. So any number that is less than 6 will work, right? If x is a 0, plug a 0 in, 0 times that, 0, 0 is greater than negative 9. Okay,